Well done. This is workshop 27, your last workshop and your practice essay. Now it's time to practice. You've learned all kinds of ways to make your essays extra amazing, and it's time to practice on your own. On the next few pages, you'll write a 5-paragraph essay to answer this question. Who is your favorite character from a movie or book? Remember to start by figuring out what the key words in the question are. As a reminder, these are the 5 paragraphs you will write. You will start with your introduction. It will have a hook, background, and thesis. Then you will have body paragraph 1, which will have a topic sentence, explanation, and conclusion sentence. Body paragraph 2 is the same. Topic sentence, explanation sentences, and conclusion sentence. Body paragraph 3 is just like body paragraphs 1 and 2. You will have a topic sentence, an explanation, and a conclusion sentence. Now, remember all the ways you've learned to make these even better. You can add different explanations and different transitions to make them even stronger. Your last paragraph will be the conclusion. You will rephrase the thesis, write your summary, final thought, and a closer. If you get stuck as you write, remember, you can always look back in your book for help. Now it's time. Let's practice writing an essay and making it stronger than before. Now let's write the essay starting with the introduction. Write an introduction, a hook, background, and thesis for the essay question. For the hook, use a superhook of your choice. You can choose an onomatopoeia, dialogue, fact, or a rhetorical question. The essay question you are going to answer is, who is your favorite character from a movie or book? Here's an example. Zoom. A burst of light flies past the screen. It's Flash, the fastest superhero in the universe. Superheroes are people that have powers normal people don't have. They use these powers to help keep people safe. Some superheroes can fly, some shoot lasers from their eyes, and some have super strength. My favorite character from a movie is the Flash because he is fast, has a cool costume, and saves people. Now it's your turn. Choose which kind of superhook you are going to write, and then write your hook, background information, and a thesis. You have finished your introduction paragraph for a new essay. Let's check it before we move on to writing the body paragraphs. Ask yourself, did I use an indentation to start my paragraph? Is the first sentence a superhook that uses an onomatopoeia, dialogue, fact, or a rhetorical question? Is the background 3 to 4 sentences long? Is the last sentence a thesis that uses words from the question? Does the thesis answer the question and give 3 reasons? How did you do improving your introduction? Now, let's make strong body paragraphs, starting with body paragraph 1. Go on and start writing. You're ready to write your first body paragraph. It should have a topic sentence, explanation, and conclusion sentence. Then, use an addition transition in your explanation and another transition before adding a simple example. Remember, this entire paragraph should match the first reason in your thesis. The essay question is still, who is your favorite character from a book or movie? Here's an example. Flash is the best because he has super speed. If you have super speed, that means you are really fast. Flash is so fast that you can't see him when he runs by. Furthermore, he can think as fast as he moves, so he can react in super speed too. For example, Flash often catches bullets in mid-air using his super fast reactions. Flash's amazing speed really makes him the greatest movie character. Now it's your turn. Write your topic sentence and your explanation. Make sure to use an addition transition in your explanation and another transition before your simple example. Make sure that you end your paragraph with a conclusion sentence. Now let's check our body paragraph. Ask yourself, did I use an indentation to start my paragraph? Is the first sentence a topic sentence that matches the first reason in my thesis? Did I use an addition transition in the explanation? Is there a simple example introduced by a transition? Does the conclusion sentence mean something similar to the topic sentence? If you check them all, you wrote a great body paragraph and you made it better than the first part of this book. Let's go on to body paragraph 2.
You're ready for body paragraph 2. You will write a topic sentence, explanation, and conclusion. This time, use an emphasis transition in your explanation and another transition before adding a hypothetical example. Remember, this entire paragraph should match the second reason in your thesis. The essay question is still, who is your favorite character from a movie or book? Here's an example. Another reason Flash is amazing is because he has a cool costume. Flash's costume is all red with a yellow lightning bolt on it. He also wears a cool cap on his head to protect it from the wind. Above all, his costume glows with arcs of electricity when he runs. Imagine running so fast that you create light and heat. You would look so cool and wouldn't ever have to worry about not being able to see in the dark. With such an awesome costume, it is obvious why Flash is my favorite. Now it's your turn. Can you write a body paragraph with an emphasis transition and a hypothetical example? Make sure it matches the second reason in your thesis.
It's already time to check our second body paragraph. Ask yourself, did I use an indentation to start my paragraph? Is the first sentence a topic sentence that matches the second reason in my thesis? Did I use an emphasis transition in the explanation? Is there a hypothetical example introduced by a transition? And does the conclusion sentence mean something similar to the topic sentence? If you check them all, you are doing a great job making your essays even stronger. Now let's move on to body paragraph 3.
Now write your third body paragraph. Topic sentence, explanation, and conclusion sentence. Use a transition before adding a descriptive example. Use a cause and effect word in the explanation or example and a matching transition in the conclusion sentence. Make sure your paragraph is about the third reason in your thesis. Remember, our essay question is, who is your favorite character from a movie or book? Here's an example. Finally, Flash is the greatest character because he helps people. Flash uses his speed to stop danger before it gets to people. He can run to where the danger is and stop it before it even begins. Flash likes saving people because he is kind. Picture this. A tornado is coming towards a town. The Flash can use his speed to run around the tornado super fast in the opposite direction. This produces a wind that untwists the tornado and saves the day. Everyone will be so thankful for Flash. Therefore, I think Flash is the best because he uses his superpowers to save people. Are you ready to try writing a body paragraph with a descriptive example and cause and effect? Follow the example and good luck writing your own.
Okay, it's time to check our last body paragraph before we move on to the conclusion. So ask yourself, did I use an indentation to start my paragraph? Is the first sentence a topic sentence that matches the third reason in my thesis? Is there a descriptive example introduced by a transition? Did I use a cause and effect word in the explanation or example? Did I use a cause and effect transition in the conclusion sentence? Did you mark all of these done? You are doing a great job and are really writing great essays that have improved a lot. Let's move on to the conclusion.
You're almost done with your essay. Now let's write our conclusion. It should have a rephrased thesis, summary, final thought, and closer. Your essay question is still, who is your favorite character from a book or movie? Here's your example. With all these reasons, you can't deny that Flash really is the best movie character. Not only does he have incredible super speed powers, Flash uses them for good causes, like helping people who are in danger. To top it all off, thanks to his slick suit, he looks cool while doing it. I think having superpowers like Flash would be the coolest thing ever, but even if I don't, he still inspires me to use my own special talents to help people. I think the world would be a better place if everyone, like Flash, found their own ways to make a difference, even if it's without superpowers. Are you ready to try? Rephrase your thesis, write a summary, final thought, and closer to finish your essay. Well done.
Finally, we can check our conclusion paragraph. Let's ask ourselves, did I use an indentation to start my paragraph? Is the first sentence a rephrased thesis that is similar to the thesis? Is the summary 2 to 3 sentences long with only ideas from the body paragraphs? Is the final thought one sentence that shows my opinion? Is the last sentence a closer? How did you do? Did you mark all of these on your checklist? Great job writing your conclusion paragraph. You have finished writing your conclusion paragraph. Great job. I am so proud of you and everything you've learned in this book. Now you have all the tools you need to write essays and write them strongly. Good luck writing essays in your future, and I'll see you later in other books.